Well, oi oi. So today I'm up in Glasgow with work. So posted up on Glasgow FPV on Facebook, and one of the guys suggested that I come to this little spot. So it's I believe it's just up the road, but I'm gonna have to check my phone and see whereabouts it is. Yeah, it's just down here. So today we're gonna go and fly some freestyle. We've got the flip mode, now sporting a Mamba F7 stack. So we're gonna give that a try on Betaflight 4. We're in the Supafly tune. And yeah, we're gonna go and hit an old World War II anti-air battery. So see what it's like, yeah?
Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, you holler, yeah.
So yeah, and it looks pretty unforgiving. So I decided to 3D print some little feet for me Nirvana and a little Crossfire thing, so I put it on the cement. It's not going to damage it. Oh well, I really enjoyed that. That was absolutely mint. It's yeah, it was pretty interesting, but also a bit sketchy because you know if you hit anything it's concrete, so props are gonna die. Fortunately, I didn't even break a single prop today, but just as I was getting in the swing of things, it started to rain, so I think we're gonna have to revisit this place. Oh, see, I don't even know how long you've been there. Yep, it started to rain. I'm going home. See you in the next one.